Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through the Halfway Tree area, and we're on Central Avenue of Halfway Tree Road, but it's not really the Halfway Tree area. It's kind of like closer to the Crossroads area, but this road is off Halfway Tree Road. So this is Central Avenue. As you can see, it's more of a commercial area, a lot of garages. There's a bakery. Mostly garages are around this area. Okay, coming up on the right is South Road, and if we were heading in the opposite direction, we go towards Grove Road. So over here is a creamy depot. I guess that's where they make the ice cream. Straight ahead, that building is the National Bakery. On the left here is Mac's Garage, very popular location. Okay, so straight ahead that wall is National Bakery. And National is the one that makes the bread and the biscuits, those kind of bakery items. It's a very large facility. On the right, that wall, all of that is National Bakery. I didn't realize their facility was so big. Okay, we're on Osborne Road now. On the left is Kingsway High, and on the right is still National Bakery. I guess this is where the employees park. On the right, it looks like a warehouse complex. Okay, we're now going on to Grove Road. If we turn right, we take Grove Road up to Halfway Tree Road, and that's where the Tropical Battery location is. But this is Grove Road that we turn left on. So if we were to take this road all the way to the end, we'd go on to Maxfield Avenue. Alright, so if we turn right, we would stay on Grove Road, but we're going to go back out to Halfway Tree Road, so we're back on Osborne Road. No, sorry, Central Avenue. Okay, so as we mentioned earlier, straight ahead, that structure is the National Bakery. And we saw how far back it went when we turned left, so we're going to turn right now so we can take a look at the rest of it. I knew it had a large factory and thing, but I didn't realize it was so big. So this entire facility on the left is National Bakery. And the right too. They occupy both sides of the road. And I don't think I've ever seen walls so tall before. Look at how tall those walls are. So on the right, that's also National. Wow, it's a huge facility on the right. It reminds me of the bus depot where they park the buses. So on the left here is the National company as well, and that's where they, I guess, do the manufacturing. Okay, straight ahead, that tall building is the Pegasus Hotel. So straight ahead now is Halfway Tree Road. So we're going to turn left and head towards Halfway Tree. If we turn right, we'd head towards Crossroads. And straight ahead is Oxford Road, and that will take us into New Kingston. Okay, straight ahead on the right, that blue building is the NHT building, the National Housing Trust. And the building is called the Michael Manley Building. It was named after the former Prime Minister of Jamaica, Michael Manley. I think he was very instrumental in the formation of the NHT, and so that's why the building is named after him. The NHT is like a trust that you contribute to, and once you contribute, you can get the benefit of loans from it. But only those persons who contribute can get the benefit of the loan. So once you get a salary in Jamaica, the NHT payment is automatically deducted from your salary. The company takes it out and then pays it over to the NHT. So what you find is it happens quite often, it used to. Employers would take, or the company would take, the NHT, NIS, all those benefits out of the person's salary, but they weren't paying it over to for example, the NHT. So when the person goes to get the NHT loan now, they tell them that they're not a member, they haven't contributed, or they don't have all the current contributions. So that used to happen quite often. But I think the companies can be fined, and it's a very serious thing if they don't pay it. If they take out the contribution and not pay it over, very serious. And I think it's a percentage, like 2% of your salary is the NHT, goes towards the NHT, and if I'm not mistaken, the employer pays a portion to. So you might get 2% out of your salary, and the employer pays 1.5 or 1%. It changes every now and then, but basically that's how it works. And it's a very good benefit, because let's say the commercial bank is giving you a mortgage at 8%, NHT probably will give you at 4%. So it's definitely a good thing. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.